guys, it's Jackie, and I am here with no, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it because it's obvious. Duh, it's a video. Okay, so today I attempted a Pinterest look, and yeah, if you want to see how I did and compare it to the look that I was trying to create, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, today I saw a post on Pinterest, and I was like, ooh, I want to try that. I would show you, but I'll insert a picture because it's on my phone, and well, I use my phone to record. So I will insert the picture right now. So yeah, I want to attempt that look today. So I'm going to use my Color Workshop eyeshadows. I'm going to use 3 palettes today. I'm going to use this palette because I want that like purpley gray shade and some of the browns for transition. I'm going to use this palette to get a little of the grayer shades, and this palette for that pink color. Okay. I believe that is what I'm going to be doing. So let's get into this. So obviously we're gonna start with a transition shade. Open this up, and we're gonna start off with this brown shade right there. We're going to use our big fluffy brush from Ulta Beauty. I don't know why I keep saying it like that. That's so annoying. Okay. Moving on. I'm going off of memory. I don't have the picture here to look at, so fingers crossed this is going to walk. All right, so I don't know. I guess we're gonna deepen the crease with this color. Gonna take the smaller blending brush, crease brush, whatever. Oh yeah, Jackie, get all over your sponge. You're so smart. We're gonna put that right in the crease to deepen the crease, because in that picture, if I remember correctly, she had a darker brown in the crease. We're just gonna do a little at a time, and I forgot I wanted to stamp it in first. So I watch a YouTuber called Hot Mess Mama MD, and she said for mature eyelids, which I know I'm only in my 30s, but my eyelids are like loose, skinny kind of. That's gross, but you know what I mean. So yeah, now I'm like, oh, I should stamp it so you don't get that skipping when you swipe. You stamp first and then swipe, is what she said. So I've been trying to do that now, and it seems to be working pretty well. So holla. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to take this. I don't know if I want to go in with the gray first or the purplish gray. I think I'm going to go in with the purplish gray first and then go over it with a more gray, because I don't know why. I feel like the gray in that picture is not like just gray. I don't know. It's got like another undertone. Actually, I think it has more of a bluish undertone, but I only have a dark blue, and I feel like that would be too much blue. So we're just going to go in to this grayish purple shade right there. We're going to put that all over the lid, and I'm actually going to use this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow brush. All right, we're switching to a crease brush because that doesn't seem to be doing much. We're going to use this E.L.F. crease brush. See if that helps. Nope. This is the only downfall of like cheaper makeup. Sometimes you really have to either layer or you always have to wet if you want any color payoff. I'm just gonna put some on the other lid and then I'll go in with a wet brush. It's just, I don't know. It can be annoying sometimes, but you know, I know a lot of people don't have the time to do this, but I guess that's where the more expensive shades come in. But guess what? I don't have real expensive shades because that's not what I do here. Can't afford them. All right. I'm going to use this flat-ish Color Workshop eyeshadow brush. I'm going to wet it. That is better. See how that's like not gray, but it's still gray. I don't even know if I need to go over that with a gray. I might just leave it. Kind of like it. All right, so I'm gonna be brave. Brave, whatever. And I'm gonna go in with this gray, this matte gray on top, just to try to mattify it a little, because I want to be successful at making it look like that. So, okay, into the gray. Just a little, just to like, I don't know, make that more matte. Yeah, I think that works. Okay, now we are going to wipe off this eyeshadow brush that we used. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna go into the black. I show you the black, but it's like, it's the black. It's the only black in there. Okay, and we're gonna go on the outer corner. I'm gonna move that hair. Been trying to, it doesn't seem to be working. It's just, been trying to go more up with my outer corner because my eyes go like this and I don't want droopy eyes. So I try to go up and look, I'm going up and it's still down. I don't know. I think it's just the shape of my eyes. It's like two black dots. Okay. We're gonna do some blending now because that's gonna drive me crazy. And I'm going to take my handy dandy blending eyeshadow brush by Beauty Accents that I use in every video to blend. It is my blending brush. Looking okay. It's looking okay. Okay, here's the fun part. Ooh. Ooh. Flat brush. Wet it. Always when using beautiful shimmer colors, you have to wet it. And now we're gonna take this pink shimmer and put it right in the inner corner, just like the picture. No, I kind of think that may have been more of a glitter. This is the closest thing I have. Man, that black looks really black on camera. It is not that dark in person. Pretty. We're gonna go back into the gray purple shade with the flat wet brush. We're going to blend it into that pinky color and the black. I think that's the best we're gonna get. Now, I'm scared. We're supposed to have a wing, and we all know how I do wings. I guess we're gonna try. I don't want to ruin it. I'm scared. That is the best it is gonna get. Put the rest of the eyeliner on. I'm only putting eyeliner on half. Because it supposedly opens your eyes. Well, makes your eyes more aerodynamic. That's not a thing. Well, it's a thing, but not in makeup. I think I'm gonna put this gray shade on the bottom. I need better brushes for stuff like bottom lashes, lash lines, I mean. Okay, now on the outer, we're gonna take that black and connect it. Now we're gonna put some, where is that? Cream liner, just on the bottom half. Q-tip, liner brush. Okay. Boom. There was a little bit of fallout, but not too bad. I might be able to brush it away. Where'd that powder brush go? Did I use? Man, my cheeks look red. They don't look this red in person. That doesn't look that black in person. Okay, I'm going to pop on some lashes and I will be back. Okay, so while I was doing lashes and stuff, my light died and I had to charge it for a little while so I could finish off this video. So this is the final look. I think it looks pretty close. I mean, it's obviously not going to look exactly like the picture because I don't have whatever they used to make that. I guarantee it was not the Color Workshop. But yeah, but I think it turned out pretty good for using what I had. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you think I did a good job or not. So yeah, that's this video. Thank you for tuning in, and if you liked it, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I don't know why you haven't. I'm fun. We have fun here. So hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. And go on over to my Facebook page. The link is in the bottom of the description box. And there you will see sneak peeks of future looks and past looks. And once I get enough people, I will do lives. And there you can leave questions for future Q&A videos. And yeah, any suggestions you want to leave, you can leave there, or you can do all that in the comment section. Either way works for me, but if you want to see lives and stuff, then head on over there and like that page. And that was really long. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.